I'm Dr. Robin Kodner from Western Washington University, and I'm making a little video to show people who are interested in helping us collect snow algae how to do it. So you should have gotten a sampling kit, and in that kit there was some instructions including a sampling tube with a label and a glove, and you need your own pen. If you have a Sharpie, it's great. If not, you can probably write on it with a pen. So you want to find an area of snow that's undisturbed. I've got my snow sampling helper over here making a mess, and so I want to make sure that I don't sample where he's run. So I'm going to come over here to this patch of snow here, find a place where the snow algae, Harvey, sit, are obvious. I'm going to take off my ski glove. I'm going to put on my nitrile glove. Inside of the tube is RNA later, which is a preservative for nucleic acids. That's great. It's just a really salty solution. It won't make you sick, but don't drink it. But it's okay if you spill a little bit. The easiest thing to do is to scoop the surface of the snow into the tube, like that. I sort of get as much in as I can. Close the tube, shake it, because that'll get things to melt and move down so that you can get more snow in there. So I do that a few times. Sometimes you'll see that the snow algae is a little bit darker right under the surface, and if that's okay, if there's kind of crud on the surface, you can move the surface away and then scoop pristine snow. And I'll do that just a few times just to get as much snow as possible in the tube. That seems to be almost fully filled. Usually takes about 3 times. Okay, that's pretty full. I don't know if you can see that. This sample doesn't have a lot of snow algae on the surface, so it just looks white. If you have a really pink sample, this whole tube will look really pink or even red. And then you want to record the information on your label, which includes the GPS coordinates. So you'll write your GPS coordinates, where you are approximately, and we are right below Herman's Saddle, right next to the Mount Baker ski area, so I'll call this below Herman's Saddle. And then you want to put your name on it so we know who took the sample. And that's it. You're going to, there might be a piece of plastic in your sampling kit in which you can wrap it around the top of the lid just to keep anything from spilling. And then you can put the tube back in the bag that it came in and drop it off at any of our collection sites within a couple of weeks of collecting. If it's going to take a little while to get to a collection site, it can be in this solution for up to 2 weeks without being in the refrigerator, but it's also nice to put it in the refrigerator if it's going to take a little bit of time to hand the sample back in. And it is, again, non-toxic, so it's fine in your refrigerator. Okay, thanks so much for helping.